Welcome to OneSource. Why are people paying ransomware attackers in large numbers in 2020? Hackers have gravitated to ransomware attacks in 2020, as being the best and most reliable paths to a payday. Crowdstrike discovered that 27% of companies that fall victim to a ransomware attack wind up paying the toll, rather than restoring from backup. The average ransom demanded is now slightly higher than $1 million. When you suffer from a ransomware attack and then find out your last backup is 6 months old, you don't really have any other moves to make. You pay up and hope the hackers deliver on their promise to unlock your files. For more details, visit our website and our social media channels.